miss my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because the visions of me creeping left the seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turn my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split at night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dare disturb the sound of silence. Fools that are, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell, and I poured in wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon God they made, and the sign flash of its warning in the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenanthalls, and whispered in the sounds of silence.
Yeah, I think it was fine.
Yeah, was not perfect, but
Yeah, but it shouldn't be perfect.